吓死了。
Hello everyone, welcome to Aukman Live Show today. This is Cassie.
This is Maya.
Today we will share innovative industrial solutions for mining and cement. Now Maya and I will share the first equipment.
Yes, Cassie, look, this huge gearbox in which industry or equipment applied in?
Okay, this gearbox,
Yeah,
it will be used on the ball mill in mining industries.
ball mill
Yes.
for the mining industry. Okay, I get that. So how about its technical parameter?
Oh, you mean the input parameters? The input power is 3,500 kilowatts.
So it's around 3.5 million watts, right?
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
And ratio design, the service factor is about 3.
Service factor is about 3.
Yes.
I think it's very higher, right? Much
Yeah,
higher.
Because you know the ball mill is very important and very valuable in mining industries.
Okay.
And during its operation, it has strong vibrations,
Yeah.
strong shock.
Uh-huh.
So the gearbox should be very reliable and smoothly.
Okay, I got that. So it needs to be a much higher service factor.
Yes.
So it looks not our standard gearbox, right?
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a standard one. It's custom-made items.
Customer made,
Yeah.
specially, right?
Yeah, you can see the
Ribs?
ribs. Yeah.
Lillian,
Yeah,
come
we-
here. Help the ribs here.
Yes, it's not a standard one. For standard items, we'll sell lots of gearboxes on the market.
Okay.
We invest on the molding development, but for standard items, we receive almost every good feedback from market. But our most important strength is custom-made items.
Okay. And it looks like, very solid and strong. What's
Yes.
the material for the housing?
The housing mean
Yeah,
the housing material is welded steel.
welded steel.
Yeah, the standard molding, they use the cast iron, but for the non-standard items, we use the welded steel.
Okay, I have a question about the customer-made gearbox.
Please.
Because this is not a standard.
Yes.
So I think it mostly happens when the customer needs a new gearbox to replace the old one, right?
Yeah.
We usually adopt the customer-made gearbox.
Yeah.
So what's the main, the parameter needed for the not standard?
Oh yes, I understand
Why?
your question. Your question is what we need to know before we design the custom-made items.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. You know we have over 200 engineers inside our technical department.
You mean
Over 200.
over 200
Yeah.
for R&D?
Yeah, for R&D department.
Okay.
They can design gearboxes based on their experience and customer technical requirement. The technical requirement, as your question, there are two parts. One, working conditions.
Working conditions.
Yes, we need to know the input power, the speed,
Speed, ratio.
yeah,
Okay.
daily working times,
Daily working times.
start
Okay.
frequency.
Okay. Start frequency.
Yeah,
Okay, I
and
got
also
that.
with the strong shock or not.
Strong shock and.
Yeah, like this one, the ball mill, very strong shock during the
Okay.
operation.
Okay. And how about the second?
And key installation dimensions, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will show you.
Uh-huh.
The input shaft diameter,
Lilian.
yeah, input shaft
Whoa.
diameters,
Diameters.
and the length,
The length.
and out shaft diameter
Out shaft diameter.
and length,
And length.
and the length,
Okay.
and the shaft center distance,
Here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Shaft center distance.
Yeah.
And
and the center height,
center
the
height.
output shaft center height.
Okay. Okay, I got that.
Yeah, and the mounting of center distance.
Oh, also contains the mounting holes. So you must, you must follow with the customer's mounting size dimensions.
Yeah, for replacement.
Oh,
It
okay.
will save the customer replacement cost. They can use the same installation dimensions.
Okay.
Don't change the mounting dimensions.
Okay, I got that.
And
So,
for new product, even we don't follow exactly the same dimensions, but we need to know if any installation space limitation.
yeah. So for the new project, we will may have a little or less. Is okay. The information is is okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So we are very stressed on the high-end customization.
Yeah, that's right. We have many high quality customers. They seek for high quality suppliers, and they go to us. So we provide the solutions for them.
Okay. So we will make more win-win partners.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So Cassie, I find this housing. It's not the integrated ones, right?
Yes, not integrate. It's split housing design.
Okay, split. Split, we can see here.
Yeah, here.
Lilian.
Please. Yeah, you can see the split line. Even it's not very, it's hard to find it. But you can find they have two bolts up and down. So that means they are two-part housing.
So they need the bolts and screws to fasten.
Yeah.
So it's a split. What's the main purpose for the split housing?
Generally, for small items, we use the integrated housing design.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have moldings, it's more easier to manufacture and very quick delivery time.
Okay, so for the we have the molding. It's a modular design. We already have the molding, so it will be a very short delivery.
Yeah.
But for this is a high-end customer made, so it's a welded housing. It will take more time for get a good quantity, right?
Yes,
good quantity.
Yeah, that means and more easier for customer to maintain.
Okay.
They can open the gearbox outside and maintain the gear, check the gear inspection. So it's more easier for their.
So I got that. I got that. This, I think, the main purpose for a split one housing is for easily maintenance.
Yes, after purchasing from Automat.
Okay. So I saw this is a lifting
lock. Yes. It's a lifting lock.
Okay.
Transportation.
Okay, so it's so beautiful and very stressed.
Yeah, very strong.
Yeah, very strong. So, Cassie, I find a small thing here.
Oh.
See, Lilian give a special detail here.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is a positioning pin.
Locating pin.
Yeah, the location pin. Because we assemble the gearbox, we need to make sure they fasten together on the same flat face. They fasten on the center, the shaft and on the same center distance.
Oh, let me think about that. You mean when the two parts of the housing want to connect together, or the first step is use this locating pin here to fix the position.
Yeah, because they are on the center or on the same position, up on the lower side.
Okay, so then they will screw tight the fasten.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that. Cassie, I find another screw here.
Yeah.
This what's this for?
Jack screw. Yeah, we call it jack screw.
What's the function of it?
I told you that we need, if customer want to check, want to inspect the gearbox
inside, they want to open the housing. Yeah.
They use this screw, jack screw. Push it, turn it. Can be opened.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's very hard to turn the bolt.
Okay, I see. So this jack screw will help to lift a little the housing up, right?
Yeah.
Then we will screw out more easily to
turn the boat.
Okay, I got it's very different and very special.
Yes.
I'm so curious about the details
It's a very
here.
smart idea.
Yeah, okay. That's one. This one is
the
for
same lifting lock.
okay.
If we need to open the box, it's very heavy.
Yeah.
To open the box, we need to lift in the upper side of the housing.
Okay, also for the lifting.
Yeah, the lifting lock.
Okay, let's see this way. Let me see.
Okay, please.
Whoa, another thing. I find some numbers here on the boat.
Oh, you mean the number?
Yeah, 8.8.
Yes. It's both strength degree.
Both
Both strings.
both strength.
Yeah.
Oh, strength degree.
Yeah. You can call it strength grade.
Oh, strength grade.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Because
got.
different housing, they have different strings requirement, so we use different bolts.
Okay, I got that. So we are good quality very much for this. Okay, yeah. That's our name plate here.
Yeah.
With the Alcama logo here, model here,
Yeah.
and
There is an input power.
yeah, input power
3,500
kilowatts, input speed,
Yeah.
output speed,
Yes, and a
ratio
ratio
9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have a quotient here.
Yeah, quotients. Let me see what's on that.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
it
there's
remind the customer to replace oils for the the shaft centrations and some different points before using gearboxes.
okay. Can I read the words here?
Yeah, please. You can read it.
Replace with fresh oil for the first time after running for 300 working hours.
Yeah,
First time to change the oil.
Yeah, change oil with fresh oil.
And replace with fresh oil for second time after 2,000 working hours. It's much longer than the first oil replacement.
Yeah, because in normal operations. So if the gearbox working 24 hours daily, that means about 3 months to replace the fresh oil.
Cassie, can we slow down? I cannot get you.
Okay, yeah, I will repeat it. If the gearbox working 24 hours daily,
24 hours daily.
Yeah, you can use the 2,000 hours. 2,000 hours. That means about 3 months you need to replace the oil inside of it.
Okay, nearly 3 months to change the oil, right?
Yeah.
Change the new oil inside.
Okay.
Okay, you can adjust your microphone.
Yes,
it's a little voice. And so, Cassie, so can you explain another time for the ribs?
Oh, the ribs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just mentioned that. For welded plate, steel plate. For standard items, we use cast iron housing.
Cast iron. For the standard, we use the cast iron housing. Yeah.
For the custom-made projects, we need the steel plate, welded steel.
Yeah, this is welded steel.
Yeah,
okay.
Then every welded plate, steel plate, and welded them together.
Yeah.
So we call it welded steel housing. They provide higher strength.
Higher strength.
Yeah, and at the same time, the lead time is a little longer, considering the design and manufacturing time.
So our engineer for before this gearbox production, from its design procedure, our engineer already considered the stress point, right?
Yes, the stress point. They already consider every stress point.
I thought an idea. It also helps the heat dissipation. Is that something?
Sure. First of all, for the housing design, the engineers will consider the stress point. At the same time, they will consider the heat dissipation.
Yeah, heat dissipation.
Yeah, if we already consider all the points of that, still the thermal capacity not enough, we can consider the additional cooling system.
Okay. I find the mounting hole.
Yeah, in the
This is
circle
that.
one.
Yeah, it's not a circle one.
Yes, usually the standard item.
Wait, Lilian, help us give a detail for the mounting hole. I found that for the Yuyo one, the mounting hole is a circle, but this one is oval, not the circle one. I don't know why. Maybe it's for the high-end customization. I need the something get Kathy. Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
So Kathy, can you give me a explanation for this instruction?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, most of the standard items they use a circle mounting plate
Yeah.
on the circle, the mounting circles. It's more easy for them to position. But this one, they provide a better solution. It's more flexible.
Oh, let me see. Because they also need to be mounted on the plate or their base, right?
Yeah.
So if it's a circle, if they can match the hole on the their mounting plate, that will be problems. But this slot will be very flexible for mounting because little move. Adjustment, right?
Yeah, you know the bolt is round. So if with a circle, they mount it, they fix it.
Yeah, just one
position.
circle. Yeah, one position.
Yeah, they cannot move it.
Yeah, but this one I think will have 3, right?
Yeah,
that's
maybe 2 or 3.
Yeah.
They can move left or right according to the requirement.
Yeah, great. That's it's just a small point, but we already considered, right?
Yeah,
that's
smart idea.
That's so thoughtful. So I feel so much, love our R&D engineer because they are smart design, right?
Yeah, you have a lot of experience on the custom-made projects.
Yeah.
Made projects.
Yeah, we consider the customer convenience, also cost saving, right? Okay.
And thanks to our customers, they provide a very detailed, working requirement. And we can design the suitable gearboxes to them.
Okay, great. That's so great. So, Cassie, what's this yellow tubes for?
Oh, you mean the yellow tubes?
Yeah, what's that for?
You can see the thin and large different.
Yeah, this very large, but this very thin.
Yeah.
And large, thin.
Yes. If the gearbox thermal capacity is not enough, we need to consider the additional cooling system.
Can you repeat it?
Okay.
I didn't get that.
Okay, no problem. We have parameters called servo capacity or servo power.
Servo power.
Yes, thermal power.
Okay, servo power there.
Yeah.
Thermal power.
Yes, thermal power and thermal capacity.
Okay, thermal capacity.
Yeah, if the gearbox thermal capacity not enough,
okay,
we need to consider additional cooling system.
So if the thermal capacity is not enough, we need additional cooling system.
Yes.
Okay.
That's right. So these tubes will spray the oil on the bearing, on the gears, on different positions inside of gearboxes. Cool the gearboxes part inside of it.
Okay, so many points. Can I just repeat for you if I'm right or not?
Yeah.
So you mean for the thin yellow tube will for the lubricating the bearings.
The bearing,
And for the large ones for lubricating the gears inside.
Yes.
And also the oil inside is just like a spring.
Yeah, spray the oil.
Oh, spring oil. It's not like the flue. Deep.
Not the flue one.
Not flue or deep. It's just spray, right?
Yeah, spray oil.
Also, for the oil spray, that will get a large escape for the lubrication.
Yes.
So will lubricate.
Better for the cooling system.
Yeah. Okay. So I didn't find it's a cooling system.
Okay. Okay, we can move forward.
Okay. Oh, Cassie, another question. Sorry.
Okay, please.
We later go to the cooling system. Just from that side, also another input. Solid input shaft.
Yeah.
So this with the double input, solid input shaft, right?
Yeah.
What's that
You're
for?
very observant.
Oh,
Yeah,
thanks.
you see two input solid shaft.
Uh-huh.
One input shaft connect with motor.
Okay.
Another one connect with the auxiliary drive.
Auxiliary drive.
Yeah. because
So this is a main drive.
this main drive for ball mill.
for ball mill.
Yeah.
So it comes with another auxiliary drive.
Yeah, auxiliary drive or engine drive. This one will connect with the auxiliary drive. The
Oh.
gearbox output shaft connect this main drive input shaft with
Oh.
the coupling.
With the couplings.
Mm.
What's the auxiliary drive for?
Usually for maintenance.
Maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that. So please show me the cooling system where
Okay,
it is.
yeah, please. Let me finish the question.
Okay.
Okay, this one. The
Okay.
cooling system.
Cooling
Your
system.
question.
Mm-hmm.
You can see there are two holes.
Okay.
lower.
This one.
Yeah, the oil inlet. You will see we have sprayed oil on the bearings. and
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
This one is input oil inlet hose.
Oil inlet.
Yeah.
So
and
this
one,
is
the oil drain hose.
oil drain.
Yeah. drain oil
Okay.
hose, Yeah.
Mean the oil outlet.
Yeah. Both hoses will connect with a system called oil station.
That means the
Cooling system.
the cooling system.
Yeah.
Lubrication oil station, right?
Yes.
That
That's
will
right.
be very huge.
Yes. Usually we have different cooling systems such as the air cooler, the
Air-
plate cooler,
Uh-huh.
the tube cooler,
Tube cooler.
and fan cooler.
Fan cooler. Yeah.
Many cooling systems and oil stations. It depends on the different project requirement. We
Mhm.
can select a different cooling system.
Yeah, that's also for our engineers' design, right?
Yeah.
According to the customers' requirements and consideration the thermal capacity.
Yes.
If which cooling system will be satisfy you.
Yeah,
Right.
because the cooling system is
Mhm.
one of the drive solution system. We
Okay.
care so many points of it.
Okay. So actually, if our customer want to choose a gearbox,
Uh-huh.
the gearbox is just one part of it. You
Yeah.
also need a perfect lubrication and cooling system.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, we
good.
care for so many details because we care for you.
That's great.
And if you find more careful, you will see the different positions.
Okay, so
You will see the different positions, up, the lower, up. So different solution, different points in and different thickness,
different lubrication points,
different diameters.
diameters. Wow, that's so thoughtful.
Yeah.
So it comes, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And another side has
Another same 5.
Yeah.
So 10 lubrication
Yeah.
points.
Yeah, because the lubricant different points of the gearbox inside of it,
Uh-huh.
such as Lilian, you can see this one lubrication the bearing inside of it.
Okay, this is just very at the front side.
Yeah.
So it's for lubricating the bearings.
Yeah, and you see the large one.
The large one
Yeah,
here.
lubricate the gears inside of gearboxes.
Because there we have the two stage, right?
Yeah, two stage.
So the gear will be rotating like this
like
way.
this, yeah.
So this lubrication point is just
the
the
tooth.
middle one.
Yeah.
Yeah, spray when they are rotating, right?
Yes.
Oh, so thoughtful.
Yeah.
I love.
The most heat generated inside the gearbox. During the gearbox operation, there are lots of heat generated.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly during the gear operation.
Okay.
So we need to spray more oil on the gears.
So that's why this yellow tube is bigger and larger.
Yeah, larger, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's so great.
And
Ah.
different positions are calculated by engineers.
Yeah, Cassie, I see there is a red arrow here. Lilian, help me here. There is a red arrow here. That means the oil will be the oil direction from up to down to show the oil direction to the lubrication point. I think that's right.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so that's so thoughtful, you know.
Yeah.
That even give us the arrow to show the oil direction.
Yes.
That's so great. So I suddenly thought about one question. I think if like this gearbox come with the lubrication oil station, if when the machine starts work, when will I start first, the gearbox or the lubrication oil station?
Good question. Yes, of course we need to start lubrication oil station first.
So must start the lubrication oil station first.
Yeah, because we need to run the oil inside the gearbox first, and when oil pressure gets normal, then we start the gearboxes.
Okay.
It will reduce the damage to the gears inside of gearboxes.
Oh, let me imagine that once we start the work, if we start the gearbox or working machine first, they will rotating without oil, right?
Yeah.
So that will be very damaged to the every part of the gearbox.
Yes, you got it.
Okay. So how about when we shut down the machine?
Yeah, of course we should stop the gearbox first, then stop the lubrication oil station.
Oh, I got that. So
the oil station first start, last stop. Yeah.
To make sure that the oil inside for lubrication.
Normal and smoothly.
Okay, so that's also for, I think some customer doesn't know this thing, right?
Yeah, we have these cautions here.
Also, so, they said that.
Also, they said that for you can see. How to say? Let's say our oil stations lubrication by sun. When circulation oil is used for lubrication, start the lubrication system first.
Oh yeah.
Then start reducer of the oil supply becomes normal.
So we must note our customer when you working. When you are need the gearbox here, please note this caution with stick here, because this will help you your machine with long service span, right?
Yes.
So
it's more benefit for the customer. The longer save time.
I thought this small sticker with big power, right?
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have operation manual for gearboxes also. So they can operate the gearbox according to the manuals to save for better maintenance for gearboxes. Usually for our heavy-duty gearboxes, the working whole life over 20 years, you know.
20 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if with better maintenance after gearbox customer buying the gearbox from Auckland, the actual working life can be very long.
Okay, I also hope so. And I think last week I got a thing about business that because some distributor around 2003, they find Alkman the gearbox working on their plant. The end user customer, and they came to us to ask the price. The distributor think our price is higher, so they refuse the order.
Okay.
So. But last year they came to us again.
Love 10 years.
Yeah. So
10 years.
because this he saw on the plant is still working well.
Oh, wow.
So he came to us again for a long-term partner.
Yeah, we have so many cases like that.
Oh,
yeah,
I hope so.
Yeah,
I just heard that. I think I'm so excited and proud of Alkman's quality.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, same as you. Yeah, because we have so many cases like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, first the customer will find lower price suppliers, and then they go back to us because we provide better quality. After several years operation, they think this way is the most cost effective.
Yeah, so Kathy, will you introduce me the auxiliary drive?
Yeah, for this one.
I'm always thinking about that one.
Okay, we already introduced the main drive.
Main drive Bormio, yeah.
And, want to know the auxiliary drive for the main drive?
Yeah, I'm curious about the auxiliary drive. What is like? 感觉你站这边。
Look like lovely small ones.
Yeah, it's so cute, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the nameplate here.
Yeah,
Lilian, can you give a special detail for the nameplate here?
Yeah, you can read it.
Alcoman logo, C certificate, and model,
The model is
and
input power.
power.
You
And
can see this input power is much smaller. It's only 300 kilowatts.
wow.
The
Okay.
retail is 50. It's the standard one.
Standard. So
Yeah.
the housing will be the cast iron.
Yeah.
Okay. Cast iron. That's good. And this color is so cute.
Yeah, you
So-
see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually the previously standard color is blue, dark blue.
Dark blue.
And
Yeah.
this one's a new painting technique.
New painting technique.
Yeah, because this order for repeat the process, and we use the better painting their items.
Okay. So the already checked the color.
Yeah,
which
several
is-
orders. This
go-
is the recently order. They just finished. So we
It's very shining.
Yeah.
And has some fun.
Yeah, fun lines. Or
fun lines.
textures like that.
Textured. Right.
Yeah, we call it orange texture, orange figured painting.
Okay, orange, yeah, really like the orange peel.
Yeah, orange peel like that.
Yeah,
So even it's also, even the same spray painting,
yeah.
it looks like the baking painting.
Oh, it's also the spray painting. I thought
Yeah.
it's the baking painting. Yeah, very beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Shining.
Shiny, and at the same time, the coating is very durable.
Yeah, very durable, very beautiful.
Yeah.
So how about the housing? I see here
Yeah.
it's not flat. The housing here, and also uneven. It's up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
What's that for?
Not a flat one.
Oh
right?
yeah.
Yeah, at the beginner before, several years before, I have the same question.
Oh, okay.
Right now, I can tell you, I can share you the information.
So please slow down. I can't even get you.
Okay, let me slow my speech.
Okay.
Yeah, just imagine if this housing surface is flat,
It's flat.
the cooling system, the cooling surface on one side walls.
Yes, I can imagine that. If the flat, there will be just the only one, the surface for cooling, right?
Yeah. So as we add two side walls of this, that means the heat dissipation performance better. The cooling surface enlarged.
Okay, I got that.
Uh-huh.
So if with the uneven the surface,
Yes.
the cooling surface
From
volume
one wall
of
to three sides.
already increased.
Yeah, most cost-effective way to increase the thermal capacity.
Okay, that's so great.
See this lovely round one?
What's that for?
Lilian, please.
Lilian.
You can see there's a mark for the min and max oil levels. If you see the oil window, the middle of the oil window, that means the oil is can be used. If the oil is less the middle line of the oil glass, that means we need to fill in more oil, lubrication oils instead of gearboxes.
Okay, you said that if the oil in the middle of the level, that means oil is enough.
Yes.
And it's lower the middle level.
Yeah.
That means we need to change the
We need to
add
fill in more.
fill
Yeah,
more.
add more oil.
Okay, I got that. So that's oil window shows the oil level.
Yeah,
oil level.
inside of gearbox.
Also give us some alert for more oil,
Yes,
right?
it's more easy way to find it.
Okay, this one, Kathy, I know this one. This
Yes, you got it.
this
please.
this oval mounting oval slot.
Yeah, on the overflow.
But I find another thing.
Please.
This mounting plate is not the flat. It's
Yeah.
a slope.
It's a slope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
This is standard molding. Yeah, we
Uh-huh.
need to consider the material cost and the strength at the same time.
Yeah.
So for strings, we add this one. It's thicker.
Okay.
But for cost, reduced for our customers, because we need to consider stress point, like the welded housing design, you learn that. The engineers also consider the stress point. Where is stress point? If the stress not how to say, is not so much required, they will reduce some material.
Okay, I got that. Because this is the mounting slot, so they want the surrounding strength, more strength here.
Yes.
But this part, they don't need because the stress already bared by the housing or by this gearbox. So they don't need the flat plate. They just cut more the plate for the slope, for the cost saving, right?
Yes, the strength already enough.
Okay, great.
Without any material. So we remove the material additional.
Also, that was cost saving, right?
Yes,
we consider more the customers' consideration, like the jack screw.
Same jack screw.
Yeah, that's the locating pin.
Yes.
Oh, Cassie, I find an interesting thing here.
Yeah. Oh, backstop.
Backstop.
Yeah, backstop.
Okay, backstop. I think this is torque arm.
Yeah, the backstop torque arm. The backstop usually necessary for rotation direction. Only go to one direction.
Okay, let me imagine that. You mean if
the belt conveyor?
Oh, belt conveyor. With slope. Oh, the belt conveyor, they go up, right?
Yes.
So just one direction.
Yeah, one direction.
One rotating direction or delivery. They need the backstop.
Yes.
To prevent that once the power is shut, they will go.
Go down.
They cannot go down.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. And I find it is installed at the middle stage, right?
Yes, the torque arm usually installed on the first stage and the center stages.
Okay.
Because that way the purchase cost is most lower for customers.
Oh, let me think that. So for the first stage or middle stage, that will be with smaller backstop, which means it was cost saving, right?
Yes, you got it. So usually we suggest for most important applications, we suggest customer install the backstop on output shaft.
Okay,
provide higher backstop force.
Okay, so what we recommend is we add or install the backstop on the output shaft, right?
Yeah.
So what's the reason for? Can you give more
detail? As we mentioned, it not only provide the higher backstop force.
Yeah,
but also
because this output shaft is bigger.
Yeah, but it's also very important for gear operation. Stronger backstop force. That means the gearbox can stop very quickly.
Oh yeah, that's right.
It will reduce the damage to gears inside of it.
Okay, I got that.
Yeah.
So for a long run.
Yeah, for a long run.
We recommend the backstop installed on the output shaft, right?
Yeah, for long term it will reduce the customer the cost.
Okay.
As I mentioned that most heavy duty gearboxes, the working life is 25 years.
Oh, 25.
Over 20 years. So that means it's worth it to use better backstop force.
Yeah, because it will help the gear inside from the like a corrosion or something, right?
Yeah, the gear working life is longer.
Yes, it's longer.
Yes.
So will also prolong the whole gearbox, the service life.
Yeah.
So what's this arrow for?
Yeah, if we have the backstop on the gearbox, that means usually we will find these red arrows.
Yeah, what's
this? The rotation direction indicate.
Oh. Okay, so what I understand is when there is a backstop, there will be definitely a red arrow here to show the rotating direction.
Yeah.
Okay,
so
that's great.
Red arrows, it indicates the clockwise directions.
Oh yeah, okay, I got that.
Yeah,
so
that means you look from this side, the output shaft rotates like this, clockwise.
I just hardly remember air breath here.
Okay. Can you remove it?
Oh, okay, let me try.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow, it's too heavy. Oh,
It's heavy.
yeah, it's
Can
too
you feel
heavy.
them? Yeah.
So, like a cap.
Yeah, this cap even it looks like a rubber, but
Oh.
it's very heavy
Oh, yeah, it's too heavy for
because
me.
it's metal. It's not a rubber.
Yeah, it's too heavy
Yeah,
for
it's
me.
like metal here. You can see the metal cap on the top
Uh-huh.
and the air breather with valve with filter on the bottom.
Oh, this is a filter.
Yeah,
You mean
filter.
like this way,
Yeah.
the heat
The
through
heat
this,
come
then
out.
come out through the filter out,
yes,
right?
Yes, the air and the heat come through the hose. Okay.
It's too heavy, and so also the cap will show the dust outside.
Yes, because this gearbox will used in cement and mining industries.
Okay.
This the environment is very harsh. Yeah, you can put it here.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Yeah, the environment is very harsh. There are lots of dust in
Yeah.
working site.
Uh-huh.
So in this method, we can get the air, the heat come out from the gearbox
Uh-huh.
and prevent dust entering inside of the gearbox.
Yeah, that's so considerate.
Okay.
So, okay, I also find an interesting thing
Oh.
here.
Yeah, oil drain hose.
Well, that means when you need to change the oil inside, so
Yeah.
just screw out it.
Yes, great.
Yeah, okay.
And
That's
put inside the fresh oil. As we mentioned in the big one, the main drive, it's similarly.
Okay.
After first time, the 300 hours, and after normal operation, usually after 2,000 working hours.
2,000 working hours for the second, but the first
300.
300.
Yeah.
Okay.
For normal operations, usually 2,000 working hours. That means about. You still remember the months?
The month, 3 months.
Yes, you got it. You good memory.
Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, and you can also see this one is a split housing design as well.
Okay.
Yeah, split design housing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to further illustrate one point. Even for the molding standard item, we have two housing design.
Okay.
One integrated housing design.
One integrated.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and the large ones with split housing design.
Okay, split
Yeah, it's more easier for maintenance.
maintenance.
Yeah.
If you let me choose,
Uh-huh.
I will choose the split one.
Yeah.
Yes, easy for maintenance, right?
Then request the large gearboxes.
Yeah. If I need, I will.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think if for the cement and for the mining
Yeah.
sugar mill,
Yeah.
it's for the heavy duty industries. We must choose the easier maintenance gearbox,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay, that's so
Okay,
good.
last point I want to
Okay.
explain more. Even for standard item, usually we use cast RV housing.
Mm-hmm.
But if customer want to upgrade the housing material
Uh-huh.
to welded steel, we can still make it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I just wondered that before. For the housing materials, also many kind of housing
Yeah.
material.
Yes.
So just let our customer tell us what you need. So we will totally and thoughtful design for you.
Yeah, we are design expert for custom-made projects.
Uh-huh. I think I'm done here, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for question.
See you later. See you
Okay,
later.
waiting for me.
Okay, please.
Hello, Nasia.
Hello, Casey.
Okay, another big gearbox.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you, Maya and Casey, for your great introduction of Alchemy industrial applications just
Yeah.
now. And in the following, Marcia and Casey will continue to show you more application of Alchemy gearbox.
Yes, Marcia, I see this item. Still, I think it's not standard one. What
Yeah.
gearbox will be?
Yeah, exactly. It's customer made.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, its application in the mining,
Mining?
cement. Yeah, in the mining industry.
In mining industry.
Yeah. Do you know the special equipment?
I don't know. Please tell us more.
Okay, it's commonly used in briquette machine.
Bracket.
Yeah.
Oh,
Briquette.
bracket like the ball press.
Yeah, like the ball price, the bracket, the BRIQUETTE.
Okay.
Yeah, bracket machine.
Okay, got it. Thank you. And I like this color as well. This color is very beautiful.
Yeah, this color is very in fish. It's not in my favorite, but also a lot of customer favorite. It's called the Klein blue.
Oh, plain blue.
Yeah, it is regarded as the most purity color in the world.
Okay, it's very fashion color.
Yeah, except the color, it is also very, it's special requirement. You know that Alchemman was founded in 1982. Yeah, we have 40 years making experience.
Yeah,
we not only provide the standard gear units, but also provide the customized taps.
Yeah, I got it. I see there are so many ribs. I think it's not a standard one, so the housing is not standard as well.
Yeah, Lillian, please.
So in the housing, standard housing design, can you tell us more?
Now it's also requirement of customers. We call this reinforced rib. Yeah, because it's not in the flat. Why we design this for customer? Yeah, because the gear inside will generate a lot of heating, and we design this rib in order to increase the heating area and to help the heating dissipation. And we also say that, Cassie, it's very large, right?
Yeah, it's very large.
Yeah, it's about 3 meters in length.
3 meters long.
3 meters, about 3 meters. Yeah, 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meters in length. Yeah, 3 people, and about 2 meters in height.
Oh, 2 meters high.
Can you guess the weight?
I don't know.
Okay, I will tell you. The weight is about 30 tons.
30 tons?
Yeah, 30 tons. It's very.
I don't know.
It's very weight.
Maybe 50. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Cassie, I want to address another knowledge.
Okay. Please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's non-standard gearbox, so if customer want to require this special kind of gearbox, we need to know more information.
Please tell us.
Okay.
What kind of more
Please
information?
carefully.
Yeah.
I will test
slow
you.
down.
Okay,
Slow
I
down.
will test you.
Okay.
So the first technical data is the central height.
Oh,
Central height from the middle and to the floor.
Okay.
And the second one is the central distance between the shaft. Yeah, central distance.
Okay.
Yeah. And the second is the mounting hole. The mounting hole distance.
Oh, mounting hole.
Yeah, mounting hole distance. Also including the total distance and the holes between the holes.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. Except this, we have to know the shaft.
Oh,
The shaft length. Yeah, behind you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can show me. Yeah.
The shaft.
Yeah, we have to know the shaft length and the shaft diameter.
Oh, the diameter and
Yeah,
the length.
yeah. This is only the input shaft. We have also to know the output shaft length and
Diameter.
diameters.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I remember. I can't wait till you test me. I will tell you.
Okay,
I will
please,
summary.
please have a summary mark.
Yeah, for the K installation dimensions, we need to know the input shaft diameter, length, output shaft diameter, length.
Yeah, great. First one.
The shaft center.
The shaft
distance.
center distance.
Yeah, the shaft height
The shaft height.
and the mounting hose distance. Every mounting hose distance.
Okay, not the shaft height. The center height.
The center height is the shaft center height.
Oh yeah. Great. It's okay. The same meanings.
Yeah.
Cassie, I want to show you more details. Follow me,
Okay,
please. Okay.
Oh, I see the. You want to show me the round one?
Yeah.
Lillian,
Guess.
please.
Lillian, please. Cassie, please guess. What's this?
Let me think.
It's
Heater?
yeah. Perfect.
Oh.
It's a heater.
I just guess it. I don't know.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
Do you know when we shall to use the heater?
I think most machines they work under very cold environment.
Yeah.
Probably they need the heater, right?
Yeah. Because in some place the ambient environment temperature will be very low. So the lubrication oil inside the gearbox may be in frozen status. So before we start the gearbox, we have to use this heater to make the lubrication oil to in a flow smoothly conditions.
Oh, so we use the heater to warm the oil inside the gearbox.
Yes.
To warm it.
Yeah.
And it can flow more smoothly.
Yeah. Before.
So the fraction becomes low or smaller.
Yes,
right?
correctly.
Okay.
So, can you know this?
Oh, you do because you have the
Okay.
oil level glass.
Oil level.
The remark.
Yeah, glass. This is a remark. Yeah, this means it will indicate the oil level.
Okay.
So when they are in the middle of the oil level, this means the oil is enough.
Oh, so that means if the oil level is 100, so the oil level is enough.
Yes, if below that numbers, then you have to. It will notice you to fill in more oil.
Yes, I understand. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, Marcia. I found there are two tiny wires.
Two.
I just look at.
Yeah, another great discovery here.
Yeah, please tell me what the function of these items.
Okay, beside the gearbox, there are several different accessories. So, you can see it clearly. We call it RTD. It's the abbreviation of resistance temperature. How to say detector?
Oh, detector.
Yeah, detector.
So
Sometimes,
detector.
sometimes we call it a sensor.
Oh, the temperature sensors.
Yeah, temperature sensors. If we see it down, we can see from this corner.
Oh.
Yeah, it's to track the oil temperature.
Oh, so it will tell us the oil temperature inside of gearboxes.
Yes,
Oh,
exactly. So, more details here.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's much idea.
As you mentioned that another
This
sensor
small
here.
one.
Let me
one.
see. This is the sensor from the buyer. Yeah. So it's to checking. We also call it a thermometer.
Oh, thermometer.
Yes, thermometer. Remark here.
Yeah.
Thermometer to checking the temperature of the bearing.
Oh, so from the two tiny things, we can know the oil temperature.
We can also the bearing. Yeah, correctly. Then they will.
Method.
Yeah, then we'll connect with the control. With the control center.
Okay.
With the control
so
center.
we know the temperature data.
Yeah, so we call it the sensor.
Well,
Yeah.
got it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Let's go on.
Yeah, I guess this
so
one.
many bolts.
Yeah, this is the jack
screw. Yeah, jack
Okay.
screw. Yeah, because it's very heavy when we want to open the gearbox to track it. Then we will use this jack screw to open the gearbox and to track it to the later maintenance. So we can see here, Lillian.
Okay.
Yeah, we also.
Okay.
And in that gearbox, we saw it also called the lifting lug. But this is not a lug. We call it it's a how to say knob.
Okay, got it.
Wait.
Okay, Marcia, we got a question from some audience that
Okay.
they want to know more about sensors.
Sensors.
Yeah, because we explain two sensors. Okay, the temperature sensors, both temperature sensors. They want to know the vibration sensors. We can also add vibration sensors. It will test the vibration, the housing vibration data. Actually, after we assemble the gearbox, we test each gearbox's vibration data. And if customer want to know during the gearbox operation, they can ask us to provide the vibration sensors.
Yeah.
It usually add on the lower side of gearboxes, like the temperature sensors.
Yeah. Cassie means if customer have any special requirements, we can also do it because we are customer-made specialist.
Yes, that's it.
Okay.
So if you have more questions, you can leave the message on the YouTube, Facebook, no problem. We will answer you. If you have
Okay, let's go on, please.
Let's go on.
讲这个吧。 它名牌是吧
Yeah, Marcia, I can see this nameplate. It indicates the parameters of the gearbox.
Yes, I know some customers just asking for the technical data. So I will tell you this is the input power, is a model number, and the series number. Yeah, input power is 450 kilowatts, and this is the input speed. And this the output speed is the ratio. Yeah, the ratio here.
Is very big.
Yeah, you very big because have large torque.
Oh, so the equipment requires large torque.
Yes.
That's why.
Yeah, because they are equipped with in the mining industry, in the bracket equipment.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
And I can see this hole.
This hole,
Tell me.
I will tell you, Cassie.
Okay.
Professional words, professional terms. We also call it the location pin.
Location pin.
Location pin. The main function is to fix the position.
Okay. So I guess it's more easy for workers to assemble.
Yes.
Cars.
Yeah, correctly.
Oh, it's smart idea to the location pin.
Yeah, because
So, yeah, we use location pin first after fasting to pass, so put a location pin.
yes, correctly.
Okay.
Yeah, because our command pay attention to every details for customer.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
got it.
Cassie.
Thank you. Hi. Oh. I
Cassie.
see the two big auto shafts. So these auto shafts.
Yeah, I just mentioned to you that it's with the single input shaft and
yes.
with double output shaft.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see so many input shaft double, but auto shaft on the same side seldom to see.
Yeah, a good question. I will explain to you carefully.
Yeah, please.
Because I mentioned it before, it's used in the briquette machine.
Bracket machine.
Yeah, briquette machine. So outside the working equipment, there will be two rollers.
Oh, so like this.
Yeah, so they work together. And another important is the ratio is 1 versus 1.
So the ratio, I think the auto speed is same.
Yeah, the same. Yeah, the same. Yeah,
see.
they work at the same time, so their efficiency will be much higher than the single output shaft.
Okay, got it. And I see there are two cases on the auto shaft.
Okay, this is Lillian, please. I have a question. You, I think you have a good eyes. In our normal output shaft, there normally have one flat key.
Yeah, one key.
But this output shaft, they have two. Yeah, this is in the top of it, and this is on the side of it.
Oh,
they
two
have
cases.
two. Yeah, why we have this design? Because the customers' working machine have two the key groove. Have C groove. So when they connected with the customer working machine, then they will be connected perfectly.
Oh, so let me page it.
Okay.
Your meaning is there are two cases on auto shaft.
Yeah.
On the gearbox, on the equipment, customer equipment, there are the hollow shaft, the two
Groove.
K-ways.
Yeah, K-ways.
K-ways, so they connected together.
Yes.
Oh, and they provide higher strength than single 1K.
Okay, Cassie, thank you. You repeat very perfect, good memory.
I see the three holes.
There's three holes here. Sometimes because their working conditions generate a lot of dust, so in order to protect it, we also have the cover plate here.
No.
No?
I don't want to stop you. Yeah, but my understanding, I don't know. Usually for the shaft with the plate, usually used for the belt conveyors for the connect with pulley.
Yes.
So if the connect with coupling, no problem. Not necessary to add the cover
This
plate.
cover plate.
But if with the pulleys, you would maybe you can move, how to say, left or right. So we need to add the plate with both fasten plates on the.
Oh yeah. This is also the fasten.
Yeah.
The screw hole. This is.
Yeah, for the cover plate, if with the hollow shaft, if this is a hollow shaft, we add the how to say the cover plate. It will prevent dust. But for the solid shaft, usually to prevent it move to the left or right, just a way.
Okay, I see. Your explanation is reasonable.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, Marcia, but I have more questions about this.
Please.
Because you are more familiar for this item. I see many yellow tubes on the gearboxes. I think the many. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7, 8.
How can
So
see?
many tubes.
Maybe you not notice on the opposite side. On the opposite side there are 6, and on this side there are 8. So, Cassie, please count it.
You need the question.
8 plus 6. What's the result? Yeah.
It's so easy.
And there are
So that's
14. There are 14 in total. You know that the customer pay attention to the lubrication system. So our engineer design every corner of the gearbox for customer. So there are total 14, 1, 4.
14.
Yeah, 14 lubrication points for customer. Maybe you.
Complex system.
Yeah, you have noticed that they are in different locations and the different sizes. This is a smaller. I can see this is a little thin.
Yeah.
This is a little large.
Okay.
Yeah.
The same, but it's a little
A little large. For a little larger, they to lubricate the gear,
Okay.
the gear inside. And for this, okay, so it's a smaller one or the
Okay.
thinner one.
Yeah.
It's to lubricate the bearing,
Okay,
the
the bearing.
bearing inside of
Yeah.
the gearbox.
Yes,
Yeah.
I see.
So, Cassie, another question again. Can you count how many stages here?
Circles.
Circles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 5.
So I think the stage may be 4 stage.
Because the ratio is 1 versus 1.
So there are 4 stages, right?
Yeah, we also see the 4 stages plus 1.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, Nadia, I see the. Oh, you mean this one lubricant?
Lubrication.
So this is system you mentioned.
Okay, I will tell you more details here.
Okay, please.
You know that if we can see that it's a 4 side of lubrication and cooling system.
Yeah.
So this is a pressure gauge.
Pressure gauge.
Yeah, this is the temperature.
Thermometer.
Yes, thermometer, temperature
Okay.
meter, we also
Yeah.
call it. And this is a plate cooler.
Oh, plate cooler.
Plate
Okay.
cooler. And this is a motor. You have know it, yeah.
Yeah.
This is a oil pump.
Oil pump.
And between them there is a coupling to
small
connect
coupling.
the small
Yeah.
coupling. And this green one is the oil filter.
Okay, the filter.
Yeah, the oil filter. And this is, we also call it the electrical control cabinet. Oh, maybe there are inside a lot of cables.
Okay.
Yeah, to control the
okay.
magnet valve here.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do you are interested in how this system working?
Yeah, sure. Please tell us more about the
Okay.
operation.
Yeah. Okay, I will see it a little.
Okay, please.
Okay. The oil.
Oh, oil drain hole.
The oil drain out. Yeah. Line.
Okay.
Yeah, and then they get through the oil pump.
Okay.
Okay, and then upside and through this oil lift, the oil filter.
Okay.
Yeah, to make the oil clear.
Yeah. The
And
oil
then
filter.
they going up
Going
and
up
get
to-
through to this plate cooling.
Plate
Plate cooler.
cooler.
Yeah, plate
Plate
cooler. Plate cooler. And then they get through from this end.
Okay.
Yeah.
To that.
To into the inside of the gearbox.
Okay, so they will spray oils on each point.
Yeah, to lubricate every corner of the gearbox. For this plate cooler, I want to show you more information.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the water cooling.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see that this green pipe.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is, we also call it the water pipe.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the inlet, this is the outlet.
Okay.
When the oil gets through this plate and there's a water inside, then after they get through this, then the oil temperature will be down here.
Oh, okay, I
Will
got
be
it.
down here.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
smart idea. Oh, I think I know it very clearly. So this one oil inlet, that one oil outlet.
Yes,
This one water inlet, and this one
water
outlet.
yes, water outlet.
So oil ran inside of this cooling plate.
Plate cooler, yeah, plate
Okay.
cooler.
So after cooling, it lubricates the oil.
Yes, correctly. And just because it's a recycle system, so we recycle one by one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see it. Yeah. Very smart idea. Very so many innovation ideas.
So, Cassie, I know you have a good memory. I will give a little test again.
Okay, another test.
Another test.
Yeah.
So what's this called?
The
What's
pressure
this?
gauge,
This one.
thermometer,
Thermometer. And this
plate cooler,
plate cooler.
Yeah.
Great. This is the motor.
motor.
The motor. What's this? Pump.
And the
Inside
coupling,
the coupling and this
coupling, the filters.
the filters.
Yeah.
So okay, Cassie, I saw some.
Test.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Cassie, I saw some friends asking for the lubrication system again.
Yeah.
So could you please take an example to repeat again how it works?
Okay, no problem. This is how to say the oil inlet hose. We bomb the oil up, and the oil come to the filters. After filter, the oil is very clear. Then we go to the
plate cooler.
After cooling, the oil go up. Then the lubricate oils on each point. That's it?
Yeah, correctly.
Okay.
Hi, Cassie. Someone just asking for the housing. Is it by casting or by steel welding? How welding steel?
Yeah, I think you
For the
I
housing.
think explain it. Yeah. So you want to explain? So yeah, we got another question. Please tell us more. I think some customers they want to know more about this.
Yeah, for our Alcoman standard gearbox, usually adopts the casting process. Yeah, because we have existing molding.
Okay.
Yeah, for the larger size, on non-standard gearbox,
Yes.
we adopt the welding steel plate.
Oh, the welding.
The welding steel plate.
Welding steel plate.
Do you know why?
I don't know. Please. Yeah.
Because on the same size and the welding steel plate have strong strength than the casting than the cast iron.
So that's why we provide the custom item with welded steel plate.
Yes,
But
correctly.
when you design each steel plate, welding them together.
Yes, we will welding them together and there we see a lot of fasten.
Okay.
Yeah, a lot here, Cassie.
Okay. Yeah.
We see a lot of fasten here. Yeah, we'll connect the upper side and the lower side.
Oh, so it's a splitting housing design.
Yeah, we can see this is just only one screw, but for this one, they have the double screw.
Yeah.
Why? Because the double screw has a strong fasten faction than the single screw here.
Oh.
So this one two screw here, it's just only one.
Oh, this screw, but this is the bolt.
Yes.
So the same function, I think.
The same faction, but it's more strong strength than this one.
Oh.
Okay. Any question, Cassie?
No, I think I see similar items there.
Okay.
So, yeah, we can.
I will show you.
Show us more about this.
Okay. Hi, Cassie.
Yeah.
Do you have?
This color is different. It's a red color, but that one is blue color. Could you tell us more? This is the finished one?
No, it's just a semi-finished.
Oh, semi-finished.
Yeah, semi-finished.
Okay.
Yeah, because Alcoman have a strict painting process. Yeah, they are including 3 different steps. Yeah, for the first step, we use primer painting in white. Yeah, this is the second step. It's the red color. Red color is rust proof.
Oh, so anti-rust painting.
Yeah, anti-rust painting.
Okay.
And the blue is our final surface painting.
Oh, so surface coating is blue color.
Yeah, it's blue color.
Okay.
Remember that we have 3 different steps.
Okay. White color, red color,
and finally, yeah, the blue color.
Oh, I see this one. I think it's very similar like that.
Yeah, very similar. It's called the what called thermometer or sensor.
Thermometer sensor.
Yeah.
Same function.
The same function
Same
here.
outlook.
Yeah, the same function here. We have mentioned it before.
So you can indicate the temperature the oil temperature inside of gearboxes like that one?
Yeah, if we install in this location, it generally to track the oil temperature.
Okay, yeah. So another question, the customer asked for the vibration sensors.
Yeah.
Also installed on the upper side of the the lower side of
The lower
gearboxes.
side,
Okay.
yeah. The accessory can be provided as per customer special requirement.
Okay, I see.
Mm.
And let's see. Oh, I see this one, a similar one also. Yeah, it's very similar.
Very similar.
Like the heater.
Yeah, like the heater, good memory.
Also, it's also
It's
the heater.
It's also the heater, the same
Okay.
function. We have saw it before in that
okay.
gearbox.
Yeah.
The heater main function is to increase the oil temperature when in the old weathers, in the cold. Oh, in the cold.
okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I make a mistake. It's
okay.
the cold, not old.
So a lot of knowledge.
Oh,
Okay, I got a meaning. Yeah, no problem. I understand you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for
Yeah.
a good understanding.
So the heater will be used under very cold temperatures.
Yeah.
Warm the oil inside. Then the oil run smoothly.
Yes.
Then less friction to gearbox operation.
Okay, I missed the knowledge again.
Okay, please.
We have mentioned that there is a full set of lubrication system.
Okay.
So we use this heater to make the oil temperature in working conditions. Then the gearbox will running formally. So then before we start a gearbox, we have to start our lubrication system firstly, and then we start the gearbox. So before before they finish the work, we must first stop the gearbox, and then we stop the lubrication system. Yeah, because it's the better way it is a better way to maintain our gearbox performance.
Okay, I see. So lubrication system, first start, then last stop.
Yeah.
To protect the gearboxes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got it. Thank you very much. And Marcia, okay, let me see. Oh, I find this very tiny thing.
Yeah.
It's the brass one, the copper one.
Yeah, this is a very special one. You know that this is the input shaft. Yeah, there is a flat key, and in this we design a small oil nozzle. Yeah,
oil nozzle.
This is the oil. Oh yeah, oil nozzle.
Okay, oil nozzle.
Oil
what
nozzle.
Is it used for?
Yeah, because we consider every corner of the lubrications. So this is to lubricate the oil seal.
Oh, lubricate the oil seal.
The oil seal.
So there won't be no lubrication oils. I think not the oil inside, right?
Yes, because there are two layer oil seal inside.
Why we need 2-layer seals here?
Yeah, because it's used in the mining in the mining industry, and this is a harsh environment.
Okay.
So a lot of dust will generate it. Yeah, in order to keep the dust out of the gearbox, and in order to make the oil seal in good conditions, so we design the oil nozzle here.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, you can give your imagination.
Yes, I understand that. The working condition is mining and cement.
Yeah.
The environment is very harsh. There's a lot of dust on the working site.
Correctly.
So that's why we add 2 oil layers, oil seals, to prevent the dust entering inside of the gearboxes.
Correctly.
Then the oil seal won't be damaged. So to prevent further oil leakage, right?
Yes, correctly, oil leakage.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. So oil nozzle, I think it's used with lubricating grease. Oil. We put the oil
yeah,
grease,
correctly.
Right?
Yeah, this is special for use the lubrication grease. Lubrication grease.
Okay. So
we will inject the lubrication grease inside this nozzle to lubricate the oil seal.
Oh, I got it. Thank you. Thank you very much. So we use the oil grease, the how to say lubrication grease instead of lubrication oil.
Yes.
To fill in this side to lubricate the oil seals.
Yes.
That's
Correct.
way. Yeah, that's way we protect the oil seals and prolong the gearbox working life.
Yes.
Because
To make the
oil
line.
leakage is terrible.
Yeah, Cassie, you know that for this large gearbox also have a separate lubrication and cooling system.
Oh,
So this
you mean
one is
the
also.
blue one?
Okay, this blue one.
Okay. So I see these are tubes.
Yes,
That is
yes,
lubrication.
for lubrications. But this is different from that one we just mentioned.
The plate cooler.
Yeah, the
Different.
plate cooler.
Like a tube.
Yeah, as you mentioned before, we have different types of lubrication and cooling
Oh,
ways,
this is
such as the cooling file,
The air cooler.
air cooler, the plate cooler,
And tube cooler.
tube cooler,
Oil station. Fine cooler.
fan cooler.
So many
So
cooling systems.
this is one of them.
Fantastic. So
It's the tube cooler. Yeah, this blue one. This blue one is
Yeah.
the tube cooler.
Yes. So it will also with a system with a motor and pump and
Yeah, behind that tube. Yeah, behind that tube you can see it.
okay.
Yeah,
So
can you
I
see
think-
it
yeah.
in that corner?
Okay. I think similar like the cooling plate, right?
Yeah, they have the similar functions. But generally speaking, the plate cooler is better than the tube cooler.
Okay.
Yeah, because they have different working conditions. We do it as per customer requirement.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe there are some space limited, so they put it on the top. Maybe in that we'll save a lot of space.
Oh, so
I just guess.
okay, I see. Maybe so you mean is the tube cooler can put on the top, on the bottom, on the side, on the top.
Yeah.
It depends on the project requirement.
Yeah, it depends on the customer special requirement and the space requirement.
Okay, I see.
Mm.
Yeah, let's go on. You share us about this.
Yeah.
Wow.
We can see.
Oh, the two holes.
Yeah, there are two holes here, and generally this is for the oil outlet.
Oh, oil outlet.
Oil outlet, as we see that before.
new one.
Yeah. This is another heater.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heater.
There's the oil level. Yeah, oil level glass too.
Oh, the oil glass indicates
Yeah.
the oil volume instead of it.
Yeah, oil level indicators.
Okay.
Okay, as we mentioned, when the oil is in the middle of it, this means it's enough.
Okay.
So when you are below that, we have to fill in more oil inside the
Okay,
gearbox.
I see.
Now this one, can you guess this?
The oil
Connect
inlet.
the
Yeah, I
oil
see that.
inlet. Yeah, correctly.
Wow, so many information. I got to know about this. I see so many, how to say?
Jose, Cassie, I just
Red
forgot
color.
to you. Yeah, the red color.
Yeah, red color, too many gearboxes together and similar temperatures. So this gearbox is very popular for ball press.
Yes,
And then-
yeah, correctly. This red gearbox is also used in mining industry.
Ball press.
Yeah, for the ball press. Also, the special requirement is the briquette machine.
Oh, maybe some for bracket, maybe for some other. So it's ball
Yeah,
press. Okay.
and on the opposite side, there's also the same output shaft.
Okay, I see.
And their ratio is also 1 versus 1.
I see.
Because outside the working machine, there are rollers they're working together at the same time.
Oh, I see. I see almost 10 pieces of similar items. So they all used for the ball press application.
Yeah, because they are very efficient, so customers have ordered about 10 sets together.
Wow, very popular item one. I love this design. Even it's not finished.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay, Nastia, thank you very much. Thank you very much for today for the introduction. I think Maya is for you.
Okay, thank you, Cassie, for sharing with me.
See you.
See you. Hi. Hello, Maya.
Hello.
Hi,
Welcome, Marcia.
Hello, Maya.
Welcome.
Happy to see you.
Welcome, and Hello everyone, see you again. This is Maya again.
Hello everyone, this is Amasia again.
So, welcome to visit our planetary gearbox show now.
Oh Maya, I find this is special compared with Alcman other gearbox. It's the double one.
Yes, actually, it's a high-end customization for the double planetary gearbox.
Double planetary gearbox.
Yes, you're right.
I see.
And
what's the main application industry?
For the aluminum plant.
Aluminum plant.
You are right. For the continuously casting and the rolling machine.
Oh, I will repeat again. It's a long word. Okay, it's used in continuous casting
and
rolling
machine
and rolling machine,
which will help the aluminum ingot rolling into the aluminum plate.
Oh, into the plate.
Yeah.
Oh, it has great function.
Yeah, you're right. Because the casting and the rolling machine with the two rollers up and down, the two rollers, they will roll like this.
Oh, I see. Two rollers.
Yeah.
Up and down.
Yeah.
Oh, they work together.
Yeah, that's why we need to design for the very special structure with double planetary gearbox.
Okay, what's this for?
First, would you like to know the technical parameter for this planetary gearbox?
Yeah, exactly. Not only me, but our
Customer,
friends. Customer want to know the technical data.
This ratio is 1,250, and the service factor is 2.5.
2.5. Oh,
it's also much higher than the 2.0, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, you just mentioned that why there are two, this one, right? This is the double layer plate for mounted the motor here.
Oh, to mounting the motor. We also call it the motor frame, motor table.
Foot mounted motor. So we designed for two-layer frame.
Okay, this is the mounting hole.
Mounting hole for mounting the motors.
Okay,
because we have the double planetary gearbox, so we need two motors to drive them, right?
Okay, it's a good design. I like it.
So, and between the motor and the input shaft of the gearbox, we usually use the universal coupling.
Oh, universal coupling. I know it.
Yeah, that's very that's the must. And also, except these two layers, we also design and manufacture the planetary gearbox, the special structure, the rack, the frame for the position or the mounted the planetary gearbox inside.
Oh, I saw it just like a small house.
Yeah, you may call it planetary gear house.
Oh, planetary gear house.
Later I will show you
a new name. A new name for the gearbox.
No, actually I will show you later. There is a gear mansion.
Oh,
a big, very high building like a
gear mansion. Yeah.
Okay, let's see this planetary gearbox.
Hi, Maya. I saw the input here. Are there any special?
Yeah, that you mean the black one here?
Yeah, black one here.
You are very good at that. Actually, this black is the oil seal. We have the three layers oil seal for the planetary gearbox.
Okay. Generally, a lot of in double layers.
Yeah.
This one has 3 layers.
Also, for the input shaft and output shaft, we do have 3 layers.
Why?
Because for the planetary gearbox, usually applied in the heavy-duty industry with the dusty environment, right?
Okay.
The 3-layer oil seal will prevent the dust inside the gearbox. It actually protects the bearings here inside, right?
Okay, I see.
I will also fill more information about the oil cell here. The inside will 2 layers common oil cell.
2 layers.
The outer one is the labyrinth oil cell.
Let me repeat again.
Okay. Labyrinth.
Okay. Okay, I see. It's a special. It's a special structure.
Yeah, just the puzzle words.
Like the puzzle, just twist, just like a twist.
Yeah. So the dust will be hardly enter inside the gearbox.
Then
It's
you
very
have lighter seal section.
yeah. Also the high protection for the
Okay,
bearings.
I like it.
Oh, okay. So are you curious about the color?
Oh, okay, I see. I just know that the red color, it just a finished color or just a semi color?
Actually, it's not final color. We come with the 3 layers of color for the gearbox. Yeah. First is the white as the primer painting, and second is the red for anti-rust.
Yeah, the second
Third
layer.
is the surface painting will be the blue or dark blue. Actually, the surface color, you can choose whatever you want.
Okay, but in my opinion, I think the red color is also very beautiful and special.
Yeah, but it looks very solid and strong, right?
Yeah, it's just like the brick color.
Yeah.
So, Maya, I'm also interested in the output configuration. So, could you show me more?
Okay, let's go. Lilian, follow us here. Whoa.
Hi, what's this, Maya?
Oh, that's a good question. This is the oil drill hole.
Oil drill.
Oil drill valve.
Oil drill valve.
If you turn this side, the oil will come out of this gearbox. You need after 3 months for using, you need to change the oil inside. First, you must drill the old oil outside, right? This is the hole for that.
I see, to control the oil outside.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the output configuration.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, this output shaft is different from normal ones.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, it's the solid output shaft with half coupling. This is the half coupling.
This is half coupling.
Yeah.
Where is another half?
Another half will be connected with the working machine.
You know, customer working machine.
I mean, yeah, you are right. The casting and the rolling machine. The half coupling will be on the casting and the rolling machine as the working machine, right?
Okay, I see.
And also, actually, for the planetary gearbox, we have many output configurations.
Could you see some for us?
Will you repeat?
Okay, I will remember it. The first is
solid output shaft.
Solid output.
With key.
With key, I remember that.
Solid output shaft with involute supply.
With involute supply.
Also, hollow output shaft with shrink disc.
With shrink disc.
And hollow output with the kiwi.
With the kiwi.
And also hollow output shaft with involute supply.
Okay, I remember that there are five.
Okay.
There are 5 different output configurations. So, Maya, another question. When customer require this special design, so how to select the most suitable coupling for them?
Oh, you mean if the customer want to order customer sized the gearbox, we also need to choose proper the couplings, right?
Yes.
Do you know the couplings function?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Please, but teacher Maya.
No, I'm a question Maya. First, this coupling will transmit the torque.
The torque.
You know the output shaft with high torque.
talk.
And the second, it also has the function to reduce the vibration during the working, and also reduce the shock.
Reduce. Okay, I will repeat again. And the coupling function, the first is to transmit the torque.
Yeah, torque. Yeah.
And the second to reduce the vibration.
You are right.
Okay. Question Marcia again. I discovered that the output shaft, even the double planetary gearbox, for their output shaft, they are not in a line.
You are right, definitely
Why?
right. I think it depends on the working machine situation, because the roller, the casting rolling machine, they have two rollers. They are not in the straight line. They are just in a slope, right?
Just in a slope condition.
Yeah, so that's why our output shaft must be the slope.
Maybe they working like this.
Yeah, you are right.
Just like an 8 number.
Okay, your image is very powerful.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
That's right.
Yeah.
So I just want to answer the question you asked, how to select proper the couplings, right?
Okay, please.
That's very easy. First, you must know the torque needed to be transmissioned. And the third is the diameter of the shaft.
Diameter.
The output. The inside, the solid output shaft diameter. Also, your machine's diameter of the shaft.
Okay, because they will connect
together.
Perfectly.
And the third is the length of the shaft. Also, the gearbox output shaft length, and also the length of the working machine.
Okay, this is some basic technical data for the coupling.
Yeah, so we do offer our special designs for the high-end customization, because we own around more than 100 R&D engineers, right?
Yeah, correctly.
We are very stressed for that.
So Maya, I like this special structure design of gearbox.
Yeah.
Do you have any other special introduce for me?
Let's go.
Okay, follow
I will show you the gear mansion.
Oh, I'm so glad to follow you to see more discovery. Please.
This way. And actually, Mine was established in 1982, and we has been offering our driver solution for nearly 40 years, right? We also has been exporting to more than 150 countries.
Yeah.
Okay. Marcia, see, this holy giant baby here.
Wow, a giant.
Yeah.
Well, I stand here just like a small one.
Yeah. You know, my height is nearly 1.7 meter. And this height, can you imagine how height?
It's nearly 3 meters.
3.3 meters.
3.3.
Yeah, 3.3. And see the length of it?
I will guess it. 4 meters, nearly 4 meters. No?
Yeah, nearly.
Yeah, I'm correct.
Nearly. And did you see the very special structure of it? It comes with the four solid input. You can show me another one.
The input shaft, right?
And also 4 solid output shaft.
Oh, Maya. Yeah, I saw some customers asking some questions. Oh, so great gearbox and so giant. So what's the main application industry and the applicable equipment? So please answer it.
Okay, I will share you.
Okay.
And this is for the rubber industry.
For the rubber industry.
And its work machine is rubber calendar.
What? Calendar? Just like the Monday, Tuesday, or...
No. It's not the calendar for the date. It's a calendar for the machine.
Calendar for the machine. Okay, I will. You mentioned that it's used in the rubber industry, and the equipment is calendar.
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 Oh, Calendar.
DER.
Not DAR.
Ah, they have the same pronunciation of calendar.
Very nearly.
Very near.
So do you know why there is 4 output shaft?
Connected with the working machine.
Yeah. Why? Do you know why have the 4 output shaft?
Oh, why?
Okay. Because the working machine.
Okay.
Because the working machine is the rubber calendar.
Rubber. Okay.
The calendar with 4 rollers.
With 4 rollers.
Four
rollers.
Yeah, that means the working machine comes with 4 rollers.
Okay, I see.
This output shaft will be connected with the 4 rollers, working together. They are connected with couplings also. So they will press the rubber mixture again and again.
Okay. In my opinion, if they worked with the 4 rollers together, so their efficiency will be much higher than the single output shaft.
Well, I think most possibility is the working machine needs to be 4 rollers to work together.
Okay, this is a special design for this equipment.
Yeah, also
Okay.
this is a high-end customization.
Maya, I noticed that for the housings, just the welding and the casting, I saw there are several layers. How many?
5 layers.
Let's repeat again. 1,
this is 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5.
Yeah, that's for 5 layers.
Oh, what's this, Maya?
This is the cover plate
It's a cover plate, and what's
on the top of the housing.
on the house?
And this cover plate is for easily to lift up to see inside the gear working situation.
Okay, I see. What's this, the black one?
Also the same air breather.
Air breather.
You try.
I will try it again. Okay. See. This is the air breather. Actually, it will be like this way, installed on the top of the gearbox. Oh.
No, it's the gear mansion.
Gear mesh to prevent the dust into
Inside, right?
Inside,
And also the heat and the air will through this way, then through this filter come out.
Oh.
This come out this way to also help the heat dissipation, right? And also this hole here, Lilian give us special details. This hole will be also for the oil inlet. That means when the gearbox doesn't have enough the oil inside, they will put increase the oil through this hole.
Okay.
But actually, it will be installed on the top of the gearbox because now it's still semi-production, so we can see some parts here.
Okay, I see. So maybe in the future we will show our friends and customers the finished one.
I hope so. I also hope this Holy Giant have a beautiful picture and videos for everyone.
Okay, thank you, Maya. This is the second special gearbox introduced for me. Do you have another one again?
No, wait.
No?
I would like to share the technical parameter of this gearbox.
Okay, please.
Around input power is 132 kilowatts.
132.
The ratio is 41.
41.
Can you guess how heavy?
How heavy? Let me guess. Can I guess a span? Span, not exact weight. Between 20 to 30 tons.
Exactly right. It's very heavy, right?
Yeah, it's very heavy.
Yeah, you are right. It's around 25 tons.
25 tons.
Yeah, it's very heavy also.
Oh, you give the average value, 25.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know the final weight, but we will wait. What's the final weight of that?
Okay, I see.
Okay, there are also more details here.
I want to see the lubrication and the cooling system.
Yeah,
Can you show me more?
yeah. This is the motor, the pump here, and they will connect here for the oil up. Then go to inside, enter into side for lubrication.
Okay.
And also because it's very high, so that's the high point.
To lubrication the every corner of the gearbox.
Yeah, actually, on the other side also have the same. That means double lubrication system.
Oh,
because
double
another side also come with a motor pump.
Okay, another side. Okay.
Also, the come with the jack screw, right? That's so beautiful. Also, there has the
oil
liquid level, not only oil level. It's liquid level, indicator. That means it also shows the oil temperature, also the oil level.
Oil level.
Okay, I will show you another new thing here. This way. See, this is the new way. Yeah, because we are now on our production plant, even another day we can see new things here, right? Can you guess what's this for?
Just like a milling, right? Milling? No? Oh, I'm sorry. It's the planetary wheel.
You are right, exactly.
Okay.
It's the planetary wheel with its frame. And to see this is the bearing, the big bearing.
Yeah, it's a special bearing structure.
Yeah, very beautiful. See, let's Lilian give us special details here. It's very beautiful.
Okay, they have the two line bearings.
Yeah, so beautiful here.
Okay.
And also see this picture.
Oh, this is I know it.
Okay.
It's a vertical mill.
You are right. This is a vertical mill. Actually, for vertical mill, it's applied in the cement, mining, also coal.
Other coal industries.
Yeah, coal for the mining coal industries.
It's also the semi-product.
Yeah, it's just housing.
Just the housing waiting for assemble.
Yeah, it will be fixed together.
Oh, inside of the mill.
So we are still waiting the sun wheel. This is the planetary wheel, right? It also comes with another sun wheel. We are waiting the sun wheel here.
Okay, maybe in the next live show we will show customer a lot of finished parts.
Yeah, so we just want to show that we have the more ability for vertical mill and the planetary gearbox and the like this parallel shaft industrial gearbox. 5 layers.
There are 5 layers.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the motors for the oil pump. This is one side of lubrication
and then the other side.
This is also another one.
Yeah, this is also another one.
Another one.
So beautiful, right?
Yeah, very beautiful. And this service is just castings. There are no paintings.
Yeah, no paintings.
So this side is the machining phase.
Yeah, you are right. That's so beautiful.
And it looks very still spectacular and amazing.
Yeah, that's so beautiful for that. So we are very capable, right?
Yeah, we have the strong capability to produce because it demonstrates our production capacity.
Yeah, actually, just as I mentioned that Alcoman was established in 1982. And we for this plant, for this our factory, it covers around 200,000 square meter and owns more than 3,600 staff here. 10% of them are R&D.
Yeah.
Also, you can share.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay.
Because we pay attention to our R&D, so we have professional technical team to help customer to design and develop. And we also provide the most valuable solutions for customer. And Alcoman also have rich experience in different industry project experience.
Yeah, that's right.
And our products also exported to more than 170 countries.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, 170 countries.
Yeah, also gain the great reputation from the customer and their good feedback.
Okay, so could you like to share with us more about our production, like types?
Like types, yeah. In Brazil, we have a lot of applications in our sugar mill industry.
Okay. Actually, I would like to share how many kind of the gearbox we can manufacture, like the.
Okay. I will repeat again for you.
Yeah, the first high-end customization is our high-speed gearbox.
High-speed gearbox. Yeah, I know that.
If the speed rotating speed up to 3,000, we call it high-speed gearbox.
I know in domestic country, especially in China.
Okay, sorry, because the mobile for camera, we need to change the battery. So just give us 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We will change the battery here for continuous working. So thanks. 只是一步吗？那我们在这说点废话吧。Okay. One customer for that.
Just one customer asked the vertical
vertical mount.
When I ask what's the power for what? Because according to the power, in fact, we don't know. It's different projects. It's another project, maybe. So, and another customer asked the vertical nail is to replace which brand?
我听不见。你说中文好吗？我听。
他就是客户来问，就是说这个电，就是这个力膜，它是可以多大功率的？因为这个东西因为技术，因为现在这个装配期间，所以可能我不是很清楚。可以来问了。我是什么品牌的？刚才你说我问了一下那个，但是我不知道是基本出来的。
because some customer.
如果再把镜头转到这里。
Okay. Because there are we have 3 different platforms for this show. So some customer may have different questions, and also now we will give another video for this vertical mount, right? Okay. Just I mentioned that because we are now on our factory, on this the manufacturing plant or process. We don't know what happened today because our job is selling, right?
Yeah.
Their job is
we are not
assembly, right? So when we see some of the new here, because the vertical mirror is a semi-product here, I just saw it, so I would like to share at the in time, so let you know what we can manufacture. Because some customer would like to know the power, the ratio, and because I don't know which project is it for. So the customer want to know the technical parameter here. Please leave your information or contact the information to our sales. We will after this show, I will check the technical parameter for you about what's the application and the power ratio, also input speed and the size. We can share more. Still, this vertical mount still in assembly, right?
Yeah.
It's not finished.
I understand you. Yeah, we just have to just see it. I just introduce a simple introduction of this vertical mill.
Yeah.
And just to demonstrate our Alckman production capacity. And I don't know that it's the same dimension of Flander. Yeah, Flander.
I know the German brand, you mean?
Yeah, very famous German brand.
Yeah.
They have the same dimension. They can be interchangeable in dimensions.
I got you would like to share. You would like to share for the vertical mill. We also have the same mounting size and performance with flanger.
Outline dimensions also the same.
For the with the flanger.
With the flanger brand. So if a customer has a detailed or special requirement, then they can leave a message for us. We can contact him right away.
Yeah, okay. And also for this vertical mill, actually the structure inside is a bevel gear. Bevel with the planetary gearbox.
Yes.
Gear together.
And maybe in the future it will be put inside of the vertical mill.
Yeah.
Maybe in the next live show we will show you the finished one.
Yeah, we hope so. We are looking forward to. Also, we wish you more questions from you because we will interactive, right? More interesting. We will share more. Okay.
Maya, thank you for sharing with a lot of special structure gearbox. Do you have another special one?
Wow, we have more. Okay. Let's go to another.
Okay, please.
This way. Follow us.
Follow us, please. Oh, there are lots of larger size.
Yeah, this is the parallel shaft.
Parallel shaft.
Yeah.
It's used in the banking industry.
Yeah, that's right.
For the equipment, it's called the briquette machine.
Wait. See?
Oh, wow! It's so big output shaft.
See this? I don't know our camera can see this very clearly, but it's very big. This is the hollow output shaft.
It's
very big one. I think, it's just one length of my arm.
Yeah, even I stand here, just looks very smaller.
So the diameter of this hollow output shaft is around 70 millimeter.
70 millimeter.
Yeah, so big. Very beautiful.
I'm interested in this planetary gearbox. Could you show me more details?
Come this way.
Okay, follow us.
Okay, our camera gives more details inside. So that's very big and very shiny. That's so big. Too big, right? How can you imagine how big is it?
It's nearly 1 meter. I'm not sure. Just a guess.
Just the whole diameter, just the one whole my
leg arm.
My arm. This is my arm.
Leg.
My sweetie. So that's very big, right? It's our hollow output shaft for the planetary gearbox. Right. So let's go.
How about the input?
Let's see what's behind views of the planetary gearbox.
Yeah, I saw the front face.
Yeah, this is
it's also
front
very
face.
Big.
Very big, right?
A round shape.
Yeah, very big. So amazing.
Yeah, a special here, just like a cap. Like a cap here.
You can imagine, the cap with long neck.
Just like a
me.
Just like you, no. Giraffe.
Okay. It's giraffe. Giraffe with cap, right? Yeah, right. Don't know why.
What's the purpose? What's the function of the long neck air breather?
Yeah, you can just whatever you call it, but for the planetary gearbox, when it works, the inside the planetary gear and planetary wheel and sun wheel rotating in a high speed, right?
Okay.
And also we have the lubrication oil inside, so the lubrication oil will splash up very high. When the tube, the length of tube, it will prevent the oil splash out.
To prevent the oil splash out, so we design this strengthened air brighter.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Also, like just we mentioned the last gearbox, also this helps, shields the dust outside. And also, it has another function. This is also hole for the oil inlet.
Oh, they have two different functions.
Yeah.
The first to put the oil inlet of it, and then the other is to prevent the dust into the side of the gearbox. Okay.
Also,
see.
the main function.
It's just like a hat, exactly.
Yeah, cap or hat.
A cap
if you
or
like,
hat.
just call that way.
Okay, I see.
So, would you like to know which industry or equipment applied for?
Exactly. Not only me, but also our customer, our friends want to know what's the application, industry, and the equipment. So
Yeah.
please, Maya.
Mainly, this is for the cement mining industry.
Cement and mining industry.
Yeah, the working machine is roller press.
Roller press. Roller press.
So the roller press will be two roll like this, right?
Like-
One left, one right, roller like this.
Together.
So they
I see.
also need a pair of the
a
Right
left
gap.
and the right.
yeah,
Okay.
a pair of that.
Left and the right one.
Yeah, you are right. So that's why they have the one pair.
One pair.
The right one,
Right
the left
one,
one
left
roll
one
like that
together.
to drive the roller press.
We call it a set of a pair.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay.
You are right.
I know that it's the oil level indicator.
Yeah, you get it.
A good memory.
Yeah. Oil level. No, it's liquid level indicator.
Another name.
No, another name. Liquid. Just the liquid is the water or oil. They are called the liquid level. It's actually for the oil temperature and the oil level.
Oil level.
Yeah,
Okay.
show the two functions.
I saw this cover plate. Because in our previous the large size gear units, there's no cover plate here. Why we add this on this gearbox?
Actually, this inside this cover plate, there are also 3 layers oil seals.
3 layers.
Yes, like I just mentioned as the double planetary gearbox.
Yeah, I see.
It comes also 3 layers oil seals. One inside is double layer common the oil seal. Outside one is the labyrinth oil. Labyrinth oil seal. And this cover plates just give more protection. Prevent the dust into the bearing or enter into the inside of the gearbox to help the cleaning of inside.
Okay. Just have a protection to prevent the dust into it.
Due to the working condition. Like cement and mining, there will much more the dust or powder, right? So we must give more protection for the gearbox.
Yeah, in my opinion, except the 3-layer oil seal, we add another layer cover.
Yeah,
there are 4
protection.
Okay, great. The double, not the double, the 4 times protection.
Double times for the protection, right?
Okay, I see, Maya. How about these pipes?
Oh, you mean the thin types?
Yeah.
Come this way. I will show you how it works here.
They are indifferent. This is a thinner one.
First, I would like to share the red color is not the final one. This is the second layer painting, red for anti-rust, right? This is not the final color. The final color will be the blue for the surface painting. So I will continue to introduce. There is a small thing here, and this one is for oil inlet.
Okay.
This whole planetary gearbox will connect with the lubrication oil station. So this one is for oil inlet, and reach this box. We call it oil separator.
Oil separator.
Yeah.
Okay,
after this, the oil separator will separate 3 ways. One is the larger one for lubricating the wheels, the planter gear wheel, the wheels and the sun wheel inside.
Okay.
Because this is very large.
Very large.
Yeah, this thin one will lubricate the bearings.
Bearings.
Yeah,
okay,
bearings.
I see.
Yeah. So is that very thoughtful, right? Amazing. Okay.
It's also very large.
Yeah, it's I think 2 times
Even we stand here, even we stretch my arms.
Yeah.
Just like one person stretch the arms.
Yeah. Yeah, also very high. And I think it's also very heavy. I didn't get the number of the weight, but I think it's very heavy, very heavy.
Okay, Maya, the time is limited.
Okay. So let's go to another place for. So Alckman, I think Alckman was waiting for the more cooperation with the customers around the world. So we are capable and qualified with the high-end customization for different solutions, drive solutions for heavy-duty industries such as mining, cement, sugar mill, even the rubber industry also has the metallurgy industry, right?
Yeah, correctly. Yeah, Alckman is not only the standard gearbox provider, but also the non-standard heavy-duty industry gear producer. Yeah, we provide the best solutions for customers in different industries such as the cement, the mining, and the rubber, and the sugar mills.
Yeah, metallurgy.
Yeah, just share the corner of Alckman production capacity. Yeah, but in the next show, maybe tomorrow afternoon at the same time, we will show you to see our Alckman Gearbox supermarket.
Yeah, supermarket.
Yeah, the same time.
We also we usually go to the supermarket for shopping different daily using, right?
Yes.
But tomorrow afternoon at the same time, we will show you the Gearbox supermarket. We will lead you to choose different types of gearbox. I think there will be always one for you for the drive solution.
Yeah, and you can always trust Alckman, the best solution provider.
Yeah, so welcome your more inquiries, and we will satisfy you with our thoughtful drive solution.
Yeah, so, if you are interested in our gearbox, you can leave a message and contact us directly. Yeah. It's my honor to service for you as always.
Yeah, if still you have more questions today we didn't mention, you just send your details, questions to our sales and or to our different 3 platform. We do reply you as soon as possible.
Okay.
So now there is another shoe for you. Come on.
As usual, will you get a big surprise?
Yeah, that will be a surprise.
Okay.
Also.
这个咋跳了？管？好。